By the end of this video, you will know how to add a customer in Wave. Start by logging in to your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu. From there, click Sales and Payments, then select Customers. This opens the area where your customer records are stored, so you can view existing entries or create a new one. On the Customers page, click Add a Customer. A new customer form will open, and this is where you will enter the details for the record. Begin with the customer name. Enter the name you want attached to this customer profile. This is the main name that will appear in your customer list and on related sales records, so make sure it matches the customer information you want to use in Wave. Next, move to the Primary Contact section. Enter the first name and last name for the main contact, then add the email address and phone number if those details apply to this customer. If you do not need one of those fields, leave it blank and continue. The goal here is to store the contact details you want associated with this customer record. After that, enter the account number, website, and notes if needed. These fields are optional, so only fill them in if they are relevant to how you track this customer. For example, you might use the Notes field to store internal information you want to reference later. Then select the customer's currency. Make sure this matches the currency you want to use for this customer, especially if you work with more than one currency in your account. Choosing the correct currency here helps keep the customer record aligned with future transactions. Now enter the billing address. Add the address details in the billing section so the customer record includes the location connected to billing and invoicing. Check that the address is entered in the correct fields before moving on. Next, add the shipping information if applicable. Enter the ship to name, the shipping address, the phone number, and any delivery instructions you want included. If the shipping details are different from the billing address, this is where you can store that separate information. If shipping is not relevant for this customer, only complete the fields you need. Before saving, review the customer information on the form. Look over the customer name, primary contact details, optional account information, selected currency, billing address, and any shipping information you entered. This final check helps you catch missing fields or incorrect details before the record is created. When everything looks correct, click Save. The customer has now been added to your Wave account.